Hi, I'm Curt Frye. In this video, I would like to show you how to create a funnel chart. And the most classic example for a funnel chart is the sales cycle. If you'd like to follow along, you can download the sample file funnel, which is an Excel workbook you can download using the download link that I provide in the video description below. For funnel charts, you have a classic example of the sales cycle. And the idea is that you start with a number of people, perhaps your contacts. Those are in row 2. Of those, a certain number will become prospects that you can possibly sell. So you have the count for prospects. And note that the number of prospects must be less than or equal to the number of contacts. We're assuming that you are not adding new people at any step. And then of those 250, 75 accept a proposal, and of those 75, you sell 28. And the numbers tell the story by themselves, but sometimes it's easier to visualize them. So let's create a funnel chart. I'll select cells A1 through B5, then go to the Insert tab of the ribbon, and then in the Charts group, I'll click the Insert Waterfall, Funnel, etc. button, and I'll click the Funnel Chart. And there it is. So I will resize it so it actually fits within the body of the worksheet. And here I have the contact and then also the count represented visually, then the prospects, the proposal, and then the sales. Note that in this case, the last element for sales is not large enough to display the number. And of course, I can edit the chart title and change the formatting of this particular chart. Funnel charts are useful anytime you have a process that eliminates, in this case, customers from each step of that process. I hope you've enjoyed this quick tip. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to my channel.